Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start exercise 11.2 and it is based on area of parallelogram. As already discussed, how do we find area of parallelogram? Yes, it is base multiplied height. Now see the first question. Find the area of each of the following parallelograms. There are 5 parts in the question and I am going to discuss 3 parts with you. Rest 2 parts are for your homework. Now if we see the first part, see this parallelogram. How much is the base? The base is 10 centimeter. How much is the height? Height we are to take the perpendicular which has been drawn from opposite vertex to the base. So height here is 4 centimeter. Now what is the formula to calculate area? It is base multiply height. So it is 7 multiply 4, that means 28 square centimeter. Similarly, if we see second part, then how much is the base? Yes, the base is 2.5 centimeter. How much is the corresponding height? Why I am using the word corresponding height is that if you are considering this base, then height should be the perpendicular on this side only. If I consider this as base, then height should be on that side only. So we have to take corresponding altitude to that particular side which we are taking as base. Now how much is the area? Area is again base into corresponding height. So it is 2.5 into 3.5 square centimeter. Now for finding out this, we have to multiply. Let us multiply 35 by 25. So it comes out to be 875. But since there are 2 digits after the decimal, so I have to count 2 places from the back. So it is 8.75 square centimeter. Now see E part. E part again. Now see here we have taken this side as base. If this side is taken as base, any of these sides can be taken as base, but you have to be particular that only corresponding height should be taken. So if I am taking this side as base, so the altitude, the perpendicular from vertex to this side will be taken as height. So height here is 4.4 centimeter. Again if we calculate the area, it is base multiply corresponding height. So it is 2 multiply 4.4 square centimeter. So it would be 8.8 square centimeter. Let us consider a parallelogram. If I join any one of its diagonals, then this diagonal divides it into 2 triangles, 2 identical triangles. Why I am saying identical triangles? Because of parallelogram, these opposite sides are equal. This side is equal to this side and this side is common to these 2 triangles. So we can say that a parallelogram, the diagonal of the parallelogram divides into 2 triangles of equal area. Because if I cut this parallelogram along its diagonal and put this part on this part, then the equal, bilkul exactly it superimposes over the other triangle. This triangle will exactly cover this triangle. Or if I cut this portion and put it on this, then it will exactly cover this triangle. So we can say that a diagonal divides a parallelogram into 2 triangles of equal area. Now since area of parallelogram we already know it is base multiply corresponding height. Now since the area has been divided into 2 parts, so that means area of triangle is half base into height. So you have to remember the formula that area of triangle is half base into height. And how we have derived this formula? Because if we draw a diagonal of the parallelogram, it divides the parallelogram into 2 triangles of equal area. Now this triangle area is half that of the whole. So from here we derive the formula that area of triangle is equal to half base multiply height. Question number 2. Find the area of each of the following triangles. As discussed earlier, area of triangle is half base into height. Now how much is the base here? Base is 4 centimeter and corresponding height. Again the height is to be considered as the altitude on that side which you are taking as base. So how much is height here? Yes, it is 3 centimeter. Now it is half into 4 into 3 square centimeter. Let us cancel this by 2. So it comes out to be 6 square centimeter. Now in B part, we are taking this as base. So this will be taken as height. So how much is the base? Base is 5 centimeter. How much is the height? Height is 3.2 centimeter. So area of triangle is calculated by using the formula half into base into height. So it is half into 5 into 3.2. Now either you can divide this 3.2 by 2. Let me remove the decimal. It is upon 10. 2 ones are 2, 16s are 5 ones are 5, 2s are 2 ones are 2, 8s are. So we are left with 8 square centimeter. Now see third part. As you can see in the figure, it is a right angled triangle. So if I am taking this as base, then the perpendicular to it, that means this side will serve as altitude or the height. If I am taking this as base, then this will be considered as height. So any of these two sides can be taken as base and the other side will be taken as height. So again, area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So it will be half into 3 into 4. Cancel it by 2. So it is 6 square centimeter. Now see D part. In D part we have been given this triangle which is an obtuse angle triangle. And we have discussed this earlier also that in an obtuse angle triangle the altitude lies outside the triangle. So this will be considered as base and we'll have to extend this to draw the altitude. So this will be taken as height. Now here base is 3 centimeter. Height is, though it lies outside the triangle, no matter, in obtuse angle triangle it happens. So height is 2 centimeter. So how much is the area? Area can be calculated by half into base into height. So it is 1 by 2 multiply 3 into 2. Cancel these both by 2. So the answer is 3 square centimeter.